What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to your Revolut account. So I'm going to quickly open up my Revolut app right here, and all you have to do once you're inside the Revolut app, you just want to go ahead and find that account where you want to add the money. So if I would like to add money to this check account here, all I have to do really is click the plus icon on the left that says add money, and from here it's going to ask you how much money would you like to add. So let's leave the default. Now from here you want to go ahead and choose the method of payment, and in this case I would say the fastest way, if you have for example Google Pay set up on your phone, you can use Google Pay. You can always change the method of payment by clicking on that option there at the bottom, and you can switch between your debit card, credit card, regular bank transfer, or the Google Pay. As I said, it's super faster if you have your GPay connected or your Google Pay connected, and all you have to do there is a simple add your card to your wallet, and once that is set up, then you can easily use Google Pay to use that to send money. So in this case, all I really have to do is just simple tap on Google Pay, and it's going to pop up and give me to authorize it, and I just need to go ahead and click on pay right there, and it's going to use Google Pay. You can always switch the card here as well, so if you click on that, you can switch between your cards and you'll be able to select the correct one and click and pay. Once I tap on pay, that is going to top up my balance here on Revolut, and I will have that money immediately or within a couple of seconds within my Revolut app. If you had the money there and you don't see it immediately, you can swipe down and just quickly refresh your Revolut app and you will be able to see it. But it's very easy and very simple, and that's how you'd easily go ahead and add money to your Revolut account. Very easy and very simple.